Wait for it. Wait for it. Did you know this about the sun? Hi everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparkstoflameseducation, where you get great science, math, and reading content and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. Something very interesting happens with the sun as the year goes by, everybody. So some of you might have noticed it. Maybe you've noticed something with your shadow. Maybe you've noticed something about the sunrise and the sunset. But something really interesting happens as the year progresses. So we're gonna set up a little observation where we can actually see what's going on with the sun. So check out these few steps so that you can start your observation and let me know what you find out. Okay, everybody, so the first step is to choose a location that you will use consistently. So it could be something landscaped like a tree, something that won't move, or a specific mountain range, or maybe the house, maybe something like a rock, just something specific that's a part of the landscape that won't change. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at the sunrise compared to that object. So it should be some object that you can measure the sunrise or see the sunrise from. So choose a location, location. And you just want to mark where the sun rises compared to that object. So is the sun to the left of the object? Is the sun directly above the object? Is the sun to the right of the object? So you want to mark where the sun rises, or you can mark where the sun is setting compared to that object. Is it setting exactly right on top of the object, right next to the object, so that you can track the motion of the sun as the season progresses. So choose a location that won't move. So you don't want to choose a location like a parked car, because of course that's going to move. So you want to choose a location that is going to be there, that won't move. Second step is to choose a time. So if you're going to look at the sunrise, then you want to choose the time that is close to when the sun is rising. If you're going to use the sunset, then you want to choose a time that is close to when the sun is setting. But people, if you live in a location where there is daylight saving time, you've got to keep that in mind. So let's say you choose 7 o'clock each morning. Okay, 7 o'clock each morning. But if the time changes, you got to make the conversion. So you're still out there at the same time. So you'd probably switch to 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock, depending on where you are. But choose a time and make sure that's the time that you're using each morning, each weekday, whatever time space. That's another thing. So you could choose to observe each day, you could choose each week. It's up to you, but you want to be consistent. So daily or weekly will work so that you can actually see what's changing. But choose a specific time of the day as well. That's step number 2. Okay, for step number 3. For step number 3, you're gonna record your observation. Now, a quick and easy way to record your observation is to actually just take pictures. But you want to make sure that when you take pictures, that landmark is always in view. So if the landmark is a tree, you want to take a picture with the tree and the sun so that you can actually see the change over time. If you're going to be drawing something, then you want to draw the landmark that you're using and the position of the sun in relation to that landmark so that you can see if it's actually changing. Get it? Or you can just record your observation, write what you actually see. Ta-da-da! Now you're going to put all your pictures together in chronological order, which means Cronus again. Cronus means sun. Cronus is talking about the sun. So you're going to put them in chronological order, which means you're putting them in the order that you took the picture. So from the first picture to the last picture that you take, or the drawings that you have from the first one you drew to the most current one. So you're going to put them in order so that you can actually see if there's any change. And tell me what you all found, because this is the fun part, where you actually get to see what happens, because maybe you didn't notice it. So now you do. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and join us when we talk more about autumn. Peace out.